Hello and welcome, friends, to another episode of I Market Me. Today I'm going to talk about that one mistake that 99% of the content creators are making while creating an Instagram reel, and it is really uh, bad looking because it makes their feed look weird and sometimes really awkward to look at their feed. And there's a very simple hack to how you can make it better and correct this mistake, and you can be that 1% of the entire community who is doing this to make their Instagram reels better. The one mistake that every person is doing, that they are just uploading the reels which are trending, or the 15-second video that they are creating. But what not 99% of the community is not doing is uploading a cover image. Now, cover image plays a really important role for the reason that you can actually now create a cover image with a particular small caption, creating a hook so that a person who's come to your profile can click on it, thus giving you a better view on that particular Instagram reel. One second, what a cover image also does is it makes your Instagram profile look much better uh, than when you're not putting a cover image. Because when you're not putting a cover image, Instagram usually takes certain aspect of your reel, and then it displays any particular photo out of it, which really doesn't help the cause, and sometimes it makes the profile look really bad, or sometimes it takes certain portion of the image which is, I mean, unattractive, or something that is calling for maybe unwanted attention or something like that. So yeah, make sure that while you're uploading a picture, I mean when you're uploading an Instagram reel, make sure that you definitely upload a cover image. And that is my tip for today. I believe that you're loving these podcasts and these actionable tips, and I'll see you soon with another episode. Before I go, you can edit a cover image nicely on this app that I also use for most of my editing of cover images across platforms, by the name of Canva. So I believe this is an actionable tip that you love. So I'll see you soon with another episode, and I'm going to talk about how Marvel is creating a content for all its in movies. It's so content for all its superheroes right now, and it's just not limited to movies. If you've not noticed that yet, so tune into the episode for tomorrow and you'll know it. So take care. Bye bye.